What do you think?
Excellent.
Love it? That's good to hear.
Oh my God, that's amazing.
Hey Corey, how are you, buddy? Right, yourself? Good.
It's totally different. So good. What an amazing job. This is beyond all expectations. This van was something that we were ready to give up on, but Caravan World were just amazing. They've just decided that they could actually rescue her, and Minty has come up a treat. Their timing, efficiency, quality of the workmanship and their creativity is just amazing. Like, it's beyond what we thought was even possible.
It's such a narrow brief we gave them.
Yeah.
As well. And,
yeah, so it was, we needed to give her a facelift. We didn't know what that would look like, but these guys just did exceeded, just did such a great job. We just think it's fantastic.
The creativity and workmanship is just amazing. It really is, you know.
Very much. Highly recommend. Highly recommend.
Absolutely.
If you've got a van and you don't know what you want to do with it, just bring it in. Christian and the boys will definitely...
Do not give up on your dream.
No.
They can make your dream.
They can make it happen. So it's brilliant. Love it.
First beer. There you go. Congratulations.